Meaning of earliness.
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 Earliness. Earliness refers to the quality or state of occurring or being done at an early time or stage. It can be used to describe things that happen before they are expected to or ahead of schedule. This term is often used in the context of time management and project planning, where meeting deadlines and completing tasks on time is crucial. Being early can give one a competitive advantage and allow for more flexibility and room for error. However, it's important to balance the benefits of earliness with the potential risks or costs of rushing a project.